If you develop simulation models, you always come across situations in which you need to develop complex drawings in order to import them into your model. Sometimes you come also into a situation where you have the drawings and you need to import them in AnyLogic and change them. So it is a very good idea to have at least the basic knowledge of AutoCAD in order to be able to change them if you need to, or to create them yourself if that is the case. On the next following weeks, we're going to release an AutoCAD course to know at least the basics so you can use AutoCAD when you develop simulation models. And in this video, we will talk about what AutoCAD is, why it exists, and where you can download it. So let's get started. AutoCAD stands for Automatic Computer Aided Design. AutoCAD is one of the most famous drafting tools that can be used to create detailed 2D and 3D drawings with the aid of a computer. It was created by Autodesk and it is widely used by architects and engineers for preparing detailed design drawings as well as shop drawings for execution. Before drafting software, engineering drawings were made on sheets of large paper using drawing boards. Many types of equipment were required to complete a given drawing, such as drawing board, different grades pencils, erasers, T-squares, Z-square, etc. It was a very tedious process that needed long times, and sometimes errors would necessitate the drafter to start all over again. Now a detailed drawing can be drawn within minutes and mistakes can be easily corrected with few clicks. Due to its popularity, AutoCAD is currently linked to almost all engineering software such as Autodesk Robot Millennium, SAFE, ETABS, etc. By linked, we mean that this software provides the capability of importing drawings from AutoCAD to use them directly inside the software. AnyLogic Professional allows for the option of importing AutoCAD drawings as well. Even though AutoCAD is a paid product, students and educators can get free 1-year educational access to Autodesk products, and it is renewable as long as you remain eligible. You can download a free version of AutoCAD in their website in autodesk.com, and you can get a free 30 days trial in their website as well.